Starting an e-commerce business can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right steps, you can set up a profitable online store. Today, let's take a closer look at how you can embark on this exciting journey. First, it's crucial to choose the right niche. Consider your interests, research market trends, and ensure there's demand for the products you want to sell. Identifying the target audience is essential because it allows you to tailor your store to meet their specific needs. Remember, a unique niche often translates to less competition and more loyal customers. Next, selecting a reliable e-commerce platform is fundamental. Popular choices include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Each platform offers various tools and features. Hence, understanding what each provides will help you decide which aligns with your business goals. These platforms support not just the technical setup, but they also come with templates that give your store a professional look with minimal effort. Once your platform is ready, focus on product sourcing. Will you manufacture products, use a dropshipping model, or work with wholesalers? This decision affects not just your inventory, but also the control you have over product quality and customer satisfaction. Consider logistics. Carefully efficient shipping and delivery systems enhance customer experience, ensuring they return to your store. Marketing your e-commerce business is the engine that drives sales. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and search engine optimization to reach a broader audience. Craft compelling content and engage with potential customers. Loyal customers are the backbone of any successful business, so nurturing these relationships is key. Finally, always use analytics to monitor your store's performance. Regularly review sales data, customer feedback, and website traffic to adapt strategies for optimal growth. With consistent effort and keen attention to detail, your store can not only survive, but thrive. Embarking on your e-commerce journey requires dedication and strategic planning, but the rewards of a successful online store are indeed within reach. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.t-kaker. 9to5.co